Well, Jim, it's a partnership, but the White House says these community vaccination clinics will have primarily federal staff, and this one could open as soon as March 3rd. At Philadelphia's Convention Center, COVID-19 vaccines were first given out by an ill-fated startup, then by the health department. Now it will soon be the site of a federal vaccine clinic. The Biden administration choosing the site for one of its community vaccination centers.
How will the logistics of that work?
Much is yet to be worked out.
As a Type 1 site, the Philly Health Commissioner said the center would be expected to be able to handle 6,000 people per day.
But it's a very large convention center, and it's got great transportation access, both people driving as well as people taking public transit. So we think it's a great site for this.
The addition of this site also means more vaccines for the city, since the center will get its own from the federal government instead of taking them out of the city's allotment. The announcement comes as Philadelphia's city council has been pushing for the city to use Lincoln Financial Field, where the Eagles play.
When did you find out that the convention center had been chosen?
So I found out today. I think, Lauren, I found out from you.
Councilmember Alan Dom is among those favoring the link at other outdoor sites, including the Mann Music Center.
I'm not sure the convention center is going to be able to accommodate it. How do we expect people from the city to drive to convention center and pay for parking, or is it going to get discounted parking? We don't have those answers yet. And what's the plan from SEPTA? We don't have that answer.
The link idea, dubbed Operation Philly Special, is something the Kenney administration has resisted and criticized as a proposal that would derail efforts to achieve equity in vaccinations. The White House today said the convention center was chosen using the CDC's Social Vulnerability Index, which takes into consideration things like socioeconomic status, transportation, and minority status. Asked about the two sites today, Dr. Farley also pointed to a benefit of an indoor site.
And so with the weather, as you see now, we won't have the weather problems we would at an outside facility.
Councilmember I spoke to today still wants those other sites considered. Now, there's another big question here, and that is, how are you going to register to get a vaccine at the convention center? Well, FEMA says that information is going to come out later. The White House initially said it would be through state and local registration portals. When I pointed out to them that we don't have those here, they changed their release, but they did tell me that other places do have those systems. Jim?